ucoke wikire namba yaku ya license ona kana namba yaku ya kibande na muririkana wega muno.
Iturioka kubigira ndothe mara matekorwa macompliant na kuriba thirikari tukimuretagera gethi cia High Excellency and Mobi Waiguru akauga.
Since we started the enforcement exercise that was on 1st February, we have seen a lot of positivity in terms of incremental of the revenue we have collected, and I want to encourage all the bar owners in Kirinyaga to kindly comply with the guidelines that are stipulated in Kirinyaga County Alcoholic Drink Control 2014, and those who are trying to evade by changing their particulars, we are aware of them. We have their details since 2019, and it is a matter of time. When we come to your premises, we shall be having the document for 2019 and the updated list, so we shall be comparing them, because a number of them are trying to evade taxes by registering new premises. So mine is just an encouragement, and also I appreciate those who have taken a positive change.
So today we have started the exercise of sensitizing our businesses that they need to pay revenue and to pay the taxes that is owed to the county government. We have realized that some businesses over 2 or 3 years, they have not paid their trade licenses. And the reason we are doing this is because our expiry period to pay licenses is usually 31st March, but we don't want to run a risk where we wait in the office for people to pay, then come 31st they have not paid. So today we have started an exercise of reminding them that the deadline is 31st, and we have also kicked us the campaign to tell them that we are paying through the pay bill number, which is 227711. They don't have to go to our offices or to go to sub-county offices. They can pay from wherever they are, so that we can be efficient in revenue collection, and also we can be able to make sure that all the monies collected end up in the county government, in the accounts of Kirinyaga County Government. Yes, we are hoping that this exercise, after we have told people the